If you're new to muscle tape, you've come to the right place. This guide is designed to help you get acquainted with muscle tape so that you can understand its benefits and use it accordingly. Muscle tape is a special kind of tape that features a strong adhesive on one side and is meant to stretch out your skin. This can help with several problems. It can treat muscle pain and inflammation caused by injuries, and it can also provide extra support and stability to your joints, which is why muscle tape is popular among athletes. Thanks to the many benefits muscle tape can provide, there are a ton of options on the market. This means you have a wide variety to choose from, but it can get confusing when it comes to picking the right one. Our team has shortlisted the finest muscle tapes of 2023 to help you purchase one that's right for you. Number 1. OK Tape Muscle Tape. This OK Tape muscle tape is another one of our favorites because it's made from high-quality hypoallergenic material, which helps minimize the chances of irritating your skin and causing blisters. Professional acrylic adhesive is used to make sure the tape sticks firmly to your skin, and it's also water-resistant, so you can wear it during workouts. OK Tape Kinesiology tape is made with a high-quality hypoallergenic material to minimize the possibility of skin irritation, itching and blisters. The material of this muscle tape is breathable enough to prevent discomfort and doesn't contain harmful substances like latex. What makes this tape convenient to use is the fact that it comes in 10-inch strips that can be torn off easily without having to use scissors, and the corners are rounded so that it doesn't peel off once applied. Number 2. KT Tape Muscle Tape. The KT Tape muscle tape is worn by professionals and features a high-quality, hypoallergenic design. The material is lightweight and breathable, making it an ideal choice for athletes as they tend to sweat a lot. You can apply this muscle tape to joints and muscles to help reduce pressure and provide support, and this is super easy to do by yourself. The manufacturer even provides free videos with instructions on how to apply it to common injury areas. This muscle tape is trusted by professionals and used by NBA trainers and Olympic athletes, including gold medal winning beach volleyball player Kerry Walsh Jennings. Just a couple of things. Make sure you rub this muscle tape to activate its adhesive before applying it to your skin and avoid applying it on wet skin so that it lasts longer. Number 3. Sparthos Muscle Tape. Last but not least, the Sparthos muscle tape can help increase blood circulation and reduce inflammation to lead to a speedy recovery. Its lightweight, stretchable design will let you flex your muscles without any difficulty, and it's hypoallergenic as well, meaning it won't irritate your skin. Sparthos tape is an effective way to treat sports injuries, joint pain, or muscle aches. It can be used as part of your daily routine, whether you're working out or just going about your day-to-day activities. It's easy to apply yourself at home without any training. This muscle tape is completely waterproof, so you can wear it in the shower for multiple days and not have to worry about it coming off. The tape is uncut and 2 inches wide, making it ideal for a ton of different activities, and the company provides a step-by-step manual on how to use it correctly. This muscle tape is available in a wide range of color options and is ideal for all skin types. Number 4. SB Socks Muscle Tape. The SB Socks muscle tape is made from 100% natural cotton, which means you can use it for 2 or 3 days without issue. Its material is lightweight, breathable, and doesn't contain any harmful substances like latex, and the adhesive used is strong and skin-friendly, meaning it won't cause irritation. This 16-foot roll of muscle tape can last you a long time, and you can choose from 10 color options when purchasing. This tape is also water-resistant, which means it won't come off if you're engaged in strenuous physical activity and sweating a lot. Thanks to its durable, breathable material and how easy it is to use, we chose this muscle tape as our top pick. Number 5. Dr. Anisan Muscle Tape. This muscle tape from Dr. Anisan offers healing properties that can help accelerate blood flow to injured tissues. It's made from a blend of 90% polyester and 10% spandex, which helps make it stretchable enough to be applied to joints without affecting mobility. Not only can this muscle tape help reduce swelling and inflammation, but it can also relieve pain that may be caused by chronic or acute injuries. Kinesiology tape is used by professional athletes, physical therapists, and you. Designed for physically demanding sports such as football, basketball, swimming, or exercise such as weightlifting, yoga, golf and running. It is also therapeutic that helps you recover from injuries. This muscle tape can also help protect working muscles and make sure they aren't overused. It's waterproof and breathable, and it can be worn for 2 to 3 days before it needs to be changed. This muscle tape can offer a whole host of benefits to a wide range of people, including athletes, physiotherapists, and pregnant women, and it's available in 6 different color options.